Hello everyone, and welcome to Youth Cooking School. My name is Katrina, and I am the 4-H Youth Development Educator for Unit 22, which is Madison, Monroe, and St. Clair counties, and I welcome you all to our virtual Youth Cooking School camp. This week, I will be guiding you through some educational material and a few lesson plans online, and then I will also be guiding you through all of the cooking that we are doing this week. A few things I do want to cover before we get started. Be sure to watch all of the educational videos that are going to be posted on the YouTube channel. We do want to make sure that everyone is following the guidelines and being safe. So a few videos that I want you to be sure to watch before you get started, for example, are going to be hand washing. It will go through the step-by-step process to properly wash your hands. We also will have a video on proper way to cut your food to be safe. We will be using sharp knives. And so that does lead me to my next point. This camp does require an adult to be near you at all times. We will be using the oven, the stove. We will be using sharp knives. So we do want to just make sure everyone is being safe and we all have some fun. So I'm so excited to get to know every single one of you this week. Again, my name is Katrina, and you will have my contact information. So if you have any questions or concerns throughout the week, please feel free to reach out. And I'm so excited to have some fun with you guys. Happy Youth Cooking School Week!